Okay, so guys, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision.
Thank you. First time after Leap.
Yeah, okay, and Happy New Year. Okay,
Same
so
to you.
this is some fans' question that we have picked. So, sort of the first question is for you. So, when the character was offered you, like not in detail, we want to know, but what was your reason behind saying yes to this character?
I think the main reason to say yes to this character was that it's a very woman empowering show. First season also I have seen it because I was doing another show on Sony itself. So whenever I used to surf for your own show, तो बीच में मैं देखता था. And also my mother used to watch it. Like even now she watches it, but she's seeing it from the very beginning. So I used to watch it with her at times whenever I was home. So I really found it very amazing that even though जो ये लोग मुद्दा उठाते थे, the issue used to be like really strong, but in a very subtle manner it will come across, not in a hard-hitted drama kind of a thing. Very strong messages for the viewers, for society, but in a very nice, subtle manner. So that is, I think, the USP of the show. And when I was offered this in season 2, I didn't think even twice, and I just took it up.
Okay, but it's the fact that you're obviously going to be paired opposite her, and she is doing it in terms of acting and all that. So did it hit it like how am I going to make this chemistry very organic and natural? So does this thing cross to your mind, or how was it?
I think Ashnoor is a brilliant actress. She has been part of so many shows. The experience people, generally they grow with one after another. And when I do
Was excited. काफ़ी मॉक शूट्स हो गए थे एंड लाइक बस फाइनलाइज करो यार अभी प्लीज जल्दी. So I was really happy that बहुत मॉक शूट होते हैं. Like बहुत मॉक शूट and finally we got our perfect meal. There were literally like 20-30 mock shoots that we did for one particular character. And those mock shoots were very selective people, काफ़ी auditions पार करके आए हैं. तो yes, I was excited when I got to know that SRJ has been selected, and I was looking forward to it because our mock shoot was really nice. It went really smooth. I was looking forward to it. Yeah.
As an actor, what's the give and take you give to each other for a scene or during the scene? Is it a lot of improvisation, or how is it when you both are there in a particular scene?
So I guess yes, we do put in a lot of inputs from our side as well. Plus, the script is so good that we don't actually require to put our inputs and improvise ourselves. But yes, it's actually all about the timing, I would say. And the best part is, even if we improvise, for improvisation इतना बैठ गया है, we've understood each other's art. That would timing बहुत अच्छा बैठता है, and that's why I guess the chemistry comes out well on screen.
Yeah.
Same thing? Or?
Same thing, exactly the same thing. First, it's written so beautifully that when we read it only, we are like either laughing or we have goosebumps or something like that. And then we have a wonderful director also. And then when you do a scene with a performer like Ashnoor, so you got to be on your toes. So,
Quickly then, what was your first interpretation or thoughts when you in the initial days of shooting? Ashnu, honest opinion.
Okay, I'll
we are always honest.
I want SRJ to say that.
Why first?
No.
So that then no, you say first. I always say it first.
No. Come on, you have to do this.
So first time,
Yeah, I can bully you, na?
Yeah, you can bully me as much as you want. Even though I bully you more.
No, we bully each other equally. Come on.
Okay. So my first impression when I was in fact when I was called for a mock shoot, I was told I knew that she is playing Minnie, and my notion was, oh, she is so young. How would I be opposite to her? Matlab, to be very honest and this thing. But then I was told that Minnie का जो character है वो is not as young as Ashnur. So I was thinking कि वो कैसे कर पाएगी? मतलब how will she able to perform that character? But when I did a mock shoot with her, I was completely in awe. मुझे वो मतलब off screen she is like this एकदम what she is as Ashnur, but as Minnie she is totally different in her character all the time. So when I did a mock shoot with her, I remember at one point I became like awestruck for a second and I even forgot my line. I was like, ये क्या कर रही है? And then she was standing opposite to me and then she said one of my lines. Okay, this is the thing that you got to say. I remember it clearly. So I was like, wow, this girl is brainy as well. So that was my first impression.
So I didn't know who's coming for the mock shoot. Lines मुझे याद हो गई थी, मैंने स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं पढ़ी थी mock shoot के टाइम because I'd done it so many times. So I was like, I was on the set and SRJ just came and he's like, hi Ashnu. So people told me. So all the people were very excited on set whenever there was somebody coming for the mock shoot. They're like, अरे पता हीरो आ गया mock shoot के लिए हीरो आया है. तो इस टाइम भी आए थे. Like, अरे वो बहुत लंबा है पता है, हील्स पहनूं क्या आप लंबी वाली हील्स लोगे? मैंने बोला हाँ लंबी वाली हील्स सेट पे देना. And then when he met me, he met me really well and he kind of bowed down, hi Ashnur. I remember that clearly. And then he was like, remember we'd worked together when you were this little. And उससे पहले we were all on set and we were gossiping कि यार age नहीं पता चलनी चाहिए मेरी वरना mood नहीं आएगा, ठीक है age कोई नहीं बताएगा age. And as soon as he came he was like, remember we worked together when you were 9. I was like, अरे यार.
No, actually it was the what do you call that? Integration episode between Uttaran and the show that she was doing, Na Bole Tum. So I was there from the Uttaran team dancing, so I met her there and I remember her clearly for her long hair. वो इतने प्यारे, अभी भी बहुत अच्छे, वो बहुत लंबे बाल हैं, उस टाइम पे भी थे. और for such young girl to have such beautiful long hair, it was like wow, I clearly remember that day.
Yeah, he said it to me. Yeah, you still have long hair? I was like, yeah, my original hair are longer than this.
Okay, last few questions. Quickly, then what's the best thing you find about each other? Like one thing if you have to pick one.
I think I find her very balanced. Very balanced for her age. She balances her studies and her work so beautifully well. So that is something which I really like because generally, no, I will not talk much, but
I know what you're saying.
yeah, it's very rare to see. That's balanced at this age and doing it so beautifully. Both the things, even academically, she performed so well. 93%. I will.
Yes.
Yeah, I will not say 92. Once I said 93%.
1% में भी बहुत मेहनत लगती है.
Of course, and then even here, whenever she's on the set, whenever we do scenes, she's always prepared. So she balances it so beautifully. I think that is the best thing I like about her.
You have to say it.
Okay, now I need to think something really, really good. There are many things to say, but let me just think. What can I actually
say?
say?
So much, then you don't have anything to say.
No. See, now I thought I'll talk about your height, but then you've said such good things. So. I guess the best thing about SRJ is that he makes his co-actor really comfortable off screen, on screen, both. So once you get that comfort level is when you can enact the scene so well. So first I was a bit reluctant in talking to him and stuff because of the age gap, to be honest. I was like, yaar pata nahi kaise hoga, how will turn out and stuff. But I guess we never felt anything like that because we've bonded so well. Even off screen, we've gelled up, and he keeps pulling my leg all the time. Keeps bullying me. Even I keep bullying him. So we've got a really good friendship off screen.
Lastly, on this note, any message to the fans?
Keep watching Patiala Babes. I hope you enjoy season 2 as much as you enjoyed season 1. And thank you so much.
So yes, keep watching Patiala Babes, and your love and support is all we need because that's what encourages us and takes us to the heights we are at. So yes, keep watching Patiala Babes Monday to Friday at 8:30 p.m. only on Sony Entertainment Television.
Thank you.